Toyota's CEO just announced something that no other automaker has dared to attempt, bringing a K-truck to America. If you've been completely priced out of the new truck market and feel like affordable, practical pickups disappeared decades ago, prepare for a big storm, because this isn't just about affordability, it's about changing the paradigm. Design. The Daihatsu Hijet has been a workhorse in Japan since 1960, going through 11 generations of refinement. And now, thanks to recent policy changes, this compact hauler is about to make its American debut. While other manufacturers chase luxury features and expensive technology, this truck takes the opposite approach. It prioritizes function, durability, and affordability in ways the American market hasn't seen in decades. Here's what makes this situation particularly interesting. Daihatsu operates as a subsidiary of Toyota, which means this small pickup could easily arrive wearing Toyota badges instead. That simple branding shift would provide instant market recognition among buyers who already trust the nameplate. The truck's design philosophy centers on maximizing utility within strict dimensional constraints, resulting in a cab-over layout that puts the driver directly above the front axle. Think about backing a traditional pickup into a tight loading dock or maneuvering around equipment in a crowded warehouse. The cab-over design eliminates the long hood entirely, giving drivers an unobstructed view of what's directly in front of the bumper. No more guessing where the front end sits or relying on someone outside to guide you into position. The exterior follows what engineers call a tough functionalist approach. There's nothing here that doesn't serve a purpose. Recent updates brought LED lighting options and refined aerodynamics, but the overall shape remains unmistakably utilitarian. Styling takes a backseat to capability, which is exactly what working buyers need. But looks don't mean much if the truck can't fit where you need it to go, which is why the actual measurements tell the real story. Dimensions. This is where things get fascinating. The Hijet measures exactly 133.7 inches in total length and 58.1 inches in width. For context, that's roughly the size of a compact car, yet it hauls cargo-like vehicles twice its footprint. Height varies by configuration, starting at 70.1 inches for standard models and stretching to 74.2 inches in high-roof and jumbo variants. The wheelbase sits at 74.8 inches, delivering a turning radius of approximately 11.8 feet. Anyone who's tried to turn around a full-size truck on a narrow farm road knows the struggle of multiple-point turns. This truck eliminates that frustration entirely. It navigates tight job sites, narrow warehouse districts, and cramped parking situations that would leave conventional pickups stuck. But here's where the cab-over design really pays off. By placing the driver above the front axle instead of behind a long hood, engineers freed up maximum space for the cargo bed. Standard configurations provide over 6.3 feet of bed length. That's genuine hauling capacity, not the abbreviated beds found on many crew cab pickups. The bed floor sits just 26 inches off the ground if you've ever spent a day loading heavy materials into a high-riding truck. This lower height makes a tangible difference in physical fatigue by the end of a shift. All three sides of the bed drop down independently, transforming the truck into a flatbed platform. This allows forklift loading from any angle and accommodates oversized items that wouldn't fit in a conventional pickup. Jumbo cab models drop to 5.4 feet of bed length, but they compensate with a pass-through that extends usable length to 68.9 inches for materials like lumber or pipe. Of course, all that cargo space is pointless if you can't work comfortably for an entire shift, so let's see what's waiting inside. Interior design. The cab comes in multiple configurations, each targeting specific use cases. Standard models focus on essential functionality, while high-roof versions add vertical clearance for taller operators or those wearing hard hats. The jumbo cab extends rearward, creating enough space for reclining seats and reducing fatigue during extended shifts. Entry height sits at a low 16.3 inches, and doors open at a wide 67-degree angle. For delivery drivers making dozens of stops per day, that low step-in and wide door opening prevents the accumulated wear that comes from constantly climbing into elevated cabs. Inside, the design emphasizes durability over luxury. Dashboard surfaces are built to withstand years of commercial use, with materials chosen for longevity rather than soft touch appeal. Storage solutions include open trays, size for clipboards and mobile devices, dedicated cup holders, and an overhead shelf in upper trims. These aren't premium features. They're practical accommodations for people who work from their vehicles. The jumbo cab brings the most substantial comfort upgrades. Driver's seats slide 5.5 inches longitudinally, while passenger seats offer 4 inches of adjustment. Headroom accommodates operators up to 6 feet 3 inches while wearing protective headgear. Higher-end models introduce digital integration with screens ranging from 6.8 to 9 inches, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Daihatsu Connect telematics. For business owners managing multiple vehicles, these systems allow remote monitoring of vehicle location and performance. But a comfortable cabin doesn't matter if the truck can't handle the work, which brings us to what's powering this compact hauler. Powertrain. Under the front seats sits a 658 cubic centimeter 3-cylinder engine designated KFVE. This unit produces 46 horsepower at 5,700 RPM and 44.25 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 RPM. Those figures sound modest until you remember the truck weighs less than a typical crossover and is geared specifically for low-speed hauling. 4-wheel drive operates electronically with 3 modes handle different conditions. 2-wheel drive powers only the rear wheels for maximum efficiency. 4-wheel drive auto monitors wheel slip continuously, engaging the front axle automatically when traction drops. 4-wheel drive lock provides a fixed 50-50 torque split for maximum grip in snow or mud. Trim levels. The lineup starts with the standard trim featuring manual air conditioning, power steering, and halogen headlights. The agricultural special variant adds rear differential lock and heavy-duty 4-leaf rear springs supporting higher loads in rural applications. An oversized LED cargo light comes standard, recognizing that farm work doesn't stop at sunset. High roof models extend cabin height while adding overhead storage. The extra trim introduces power windows, power folding mirrors, and keyless push-start systems. This grade targets small business owners using the truck as their primary daily driver. Jumbo Standard and Jumbo Extra represent top-tier configurations. Jumbo Extra includes LED headlights with adaptive driving beam and exclusive color options like Fire Quartz Red Metallic. Specialized configurations extend well beyond flatbeds. Dump Series trucks feature reinforced hydraulic lifting mechanisms and heavy-duty steel beds for construction applications. The deck van combines a 4-door passenger cabin seating 4 with a small open bed. Refrigerated and freezer models serve food delivery, while lift-equipped versions handle heavy equipment loading. Smart Assist 3 safety systems come with higher trims, utilizing twin stereo cameras to identify vehicles, pedestrians, and lane markings. The system includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Vehicle stability control and traction control come standard across most grades. All those features and configurations sound impressive, but none of it would matter without such an attractive price tag. Release date and price. The timeline for American availability looks surprisingly aggressive. With regulatory approval in place, initial units are expected to reach dealerships within the next 2 to 3 years. Toyota's involvement could accelerate that process, particularly if the company decides to rebadge the Hijet for better market recognition. Pricing is where this truck becomes truly revolutionary. In its home market, the Hijet sells for approximately 1.02 to 1.53 million yen depending on configuration. That translates to roughly $7,000 to $11,000 at current exchange rates. Compare that against the current market. Full-size trucks now routinely exceed $50,000 in popular configurations. Mid-size models start around $35,000. Compact pickups begin near $30,000 and climb quickly with options. The Hijet arrives at a third of that entry price, creating a completely new segment below anything currently available. For contractors trying to add a second or third truck to their operation without financing that rivals a mortgage payment, this price point removes the barrier entirely. The value proposition extends beyond the purchase price. Maintenance costs remain remarkably low thanks to simple mechanical design and proven components. The KFVE engine uses a timing chain rather than a belt, eliminating a common service expense. Routine maintenance intervals run every 3,000 miles, with typical costs between $200 and $400. The Daihatsu Hijet represents something the American truck market hasn't seen in generations, a return to the fundamentals that made pickups indispensable tools rather than luxury statements. With its compact 133.7-inch length, 76.4-inch cargo bed, tight 11.8-foot turning radius, and proven engine achieving 38.8 miles per gallon, this K-truck delivers genuine work capability in spaces where conventional pickups simply can't operate. Whether it arrives wearing Daihatsu or Toyota badges, the $7,000 starting price creates an entirely new segment, making it accessible to small business owners, contractors, and farmers who've been completely priced out of the new truck market. The question moving forward isn't whether demand exists, it's whether Toyota can import enough units to satisfy the thousands of buyers who've been waiting decades for exactly this solution. But Toyota's pickup expansion won't stop there. If you'd rather go for something bigger but still super affordable, then you definitely want to check out our video about Hilux Champ. With its affordability and unmatched flexibility, this is going to be another Toyota that changes the way we look at pickup trucks.